Hello students. So students, today we are going to start your first chapter whose name is polynomial. So before going to we start the polynomial, I want to remind the one important topic which we have already learned in your previous standard, that is algebraic expression. So what are the algebraic expression? The terms formed by the combination of the different kind of operation, means plus, by, minus, multiplication, or you can say the division. Okay, means the term formed by the different types of the operations such as the plus, minus, subtraction, or multiplication and the division of some definite variables and constant. They are said to be what? An algebraic expression. Okay, they are said to be what? An algebraic expression, such as we have already learned in earth standards, like as the 2x square plus 5x plus 2, or you can say the 20. So this is what your algebraic expression. Here the 2 is what? The coefficient, which we have already know it. Coefficient, and what is this? It's your variable term. Okay. Now, so what is the polynomial? An algebraic expression which have more than 3 terms. What? An algebraic expression which have more than 3 terms. They are said to be what? A polynomial. Okay. But then the next is what? The kinds of polynomial. Suppose that one is the monomial, second binomial, monomial, binomial, trinomial, and so on. Okay. What is this? Means then what is a monomial? A polynomial which have only one term. That is, like as you can say that 2x, or what is binomial? Having the two terms, 2x plus 3, or 2x square plus 3. Okay, means two terms, 1 and 2. Here is only one term. What is trinomial? 3 terms, 2x cube plus 2x plus 3. This, it consists what? 3 terms, 1, 2 and 3 terms. Okay, that's why it is known as the trinomial. So in general we can say that if an algebraic expression is arranging according to their increasing, or you can say the decreasing order of the polynomial or polynomial, then such types of the polynomial is known as what? A standard polynomial. Suppose that we have a0, then ax, a1x, then a2x square plus a3x cube plus dash 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 plus a n xn. This is what? Your general form of the representation of what? Your polynomial. Okay, means here you where a is what? A real number, and n is what? A non-zero integer, non-zero number. Okay, non-zero whole number कह सकते हैं. Okay बेटा, और you can say the non-zero या non-negative integer. Now Now next is degree of polynomial. What is the degree of polynomial? We have already learned the same topic in our 8th standard. The highest power of the algebraic expression is known as the degree of polynomial. Yes. Suppose that we have 2x square plus 4x, one algebraic expression. Second, 5x cube plus 2x square plus 3x plus 1. In third example, x raised to the power 4, 4x raised to the power 4 plus 2x plus 1. It doesn't matter whether one term is missing, then just ignore that one. But here, in the first example, what is the highest power of the algebraic expression? Just 2. Okay, that's why degree of polynomial, okay, is what? 2. In this expression, the highest power is what? 3. Then the degree of polynomial is 3. And in this algebraic expression, the highest power of the algebraic expression is 4. That's why the degree of the polynomial is 4. Okay. Now, if we know the degree of the polynomial, coefficient and constant term, okay. Once again, let's remind your coefficient and constant term from this example. If somebody asks that write down the coefficient of x square, it's your question. In this question, what? Write down the coefficient of x square. Then, so how will you solve this one? We have p of x equal to what? P of x means polynomial whose variable is x. Okay, p of x is what? A polynomial whose variable is x. P of x is equal to what? 2x square plus 3x plus 1. So now the coefficient of what? X square equal to what? In this term, x square. Where is the x square? Only in this here. Now except the x square, the rest of the digits are said to be what? The coefficient of x square. So which digit is lie here except the x square? Only 2 from first term. Okay, clear? And suppose that you have to find out the coefficient of x, then what will be the value of the coefficient of x? Yes, 3. And this is known as your constant term. What? Constant term. If the question is asking about your constant term, then you have to write down only the one. Okay? Okay, beta. Now, next is if we have an algebraic expression, but we don't know whether it is your polynomial or not. So for that purpose, we think that if your algebraic expression is written in this form, then it will never be a polynomial. Okay, now see how whenever you will write this one, it could be like as, okay, just leave it, x square plus x minus 1. Okay, how can we write like this? X minus 1 plus 1. So here you will see that this one, the power of that variable must be a whole number. If the power of that variable is a whole number, then only it will be your polynomial. Otherwise, it will never be a polynomial. Clear? Got it? Now see again. Let's take one more example. If we have root 2x square x cube, suppose that it's your x cube plus root 3 of x. The root is only on this 2, then it will be a polynomial. If the root is applied on this one, then it will not be a polynomial. Clear? Let's take one more example, such as root 2t plus root 3t. It will not be your polynomial. Why? Because the root is also over this t. That's why it will not your polynomial. Clear? If you have an algebraic expression like as the x plus 2 by x, then first solve this one. It will become x square plus, so LCM become x, okay, and this one. Now it will not your polynomial. Why? Because x is in your denominator, or you can simply write like this, the x plus 2 of minus 1. Okay, so means if the corresponding variables have a negative power, then it will never be a polynomial, or you can say in the irrational form, then it will never be a polynomial. Clear? Now next is a linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, and the cubic polynomial. What is next? Your linear, quadratic, and cubic polynomial. What are the linear polynomial? First is linear polynomial. Second is quadratic polynomial. P of x, what? A polynomial with variable x. Okay. And third one is cubic polynomial. Okay. What will be the linear polynomial? Ax plus b, because it's your standard form of the linear equation. Okay. Clear? And what will be a quadratic polynomial? Ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. And what will be a cubic polynomial? Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Okay. Means a linear polynomial is a polynomial having degree 1 only. A polynomial whose degree is 1, that is known as the linear polynomial, and the polynomial whose degree is 2 is known as the what? Quadratic polynomial, and the polynomial whose degree is 3, they are said to be what? A cubic polynomial. And then 4, then they are said to be a y quadratic polynomial. Okay. Okay. Now the next question is the first question of your exercise, that is 2.1. So these are some basic properties about the polynomial. Now we will come to the exercise and we will solve the question. Exercise 2.1. In first question, there must be a first question like as means which of the following function are polynomial. Okay, which of the following algebraic expression are the polynomial? So you know how if you have the term like this, the 1 upon x, x plus 1 upon x, then they are never be a polynomial. It's your answer. Okay, you can write like this also, or you can give the this detail in your language also. Okay, So because we have already discussed these things, if an algebraic expression whose degree of polynomial is, or you can say the whose variable is in your negative integer, or you can say the what, irrational number, then they are never be a polynomial. Okay, just solve for this one, then you will get the answer. Okay, now next, write down the coefficient in next question. There will be a equation, and by the help of that equation you have to just write down the coefficient of that equation. Okay, coefficient of that particular term. Suppose that we have the 2x square plus 5x plus 10. Okay, now the question is asking about the expression, write down the coefficient of x square. Okay, so what is the coefficient of x square? Here is the solution. We have p of x equal to what? 2x square plus 5x plus 10. Then coefficient of x square is what? Except the x, the rest of the terms are what? Your coefficient of x square. Okay, clear? Now, if it is asking about the coefficient of x, then 5 will be the coefficient. Okay, suppose that it's minus, then minus 5. Okay, now in next, write down the degree of polynomial. Write down the degree of polynomial. It's your question. Solution. We have p of x equal to what? 2x square minus 5x plus 10. Then degree of polynomial. Degree of polynomial is what? What is the maximum highest power of this algebraic expression? 2. So you can write down the 2 ones. Okay, because the highest power of this algebraic expression is what? The 2. So 2 is what? The degree of that polynomial. Okay, and in next question there will be an algebraic expression. Then from those algebraic expression you have to just categorize that which kind of the algebraic expression is given in this question. Okay, now which kind of this algebraic expression? Yes, it's your trinomial. Trinomial. If it having 2 terms, then said to be the what? Binomial. Okay, then it will be your binomial. Having 3 terms are said to be trinomial. Having 2 terms are said to be your binomial. Having 1 terms are said to be what? The linear polynomial or monomial. Monomial. Okay, so it's enough for today. I hope you will enjoy this exercise at your home. Thank you, beta.